Hi, I'm Jane. Welcome back. Playing with my flowers again, making a bouquet. Look at this dark penstemon. Look how tall this thing is. Can you tell how tall that is? So let me show you what I've pulled and let's put together a bouquet. Look at the size of my lilies. They are so pretty. I don't know if I dare take a delphinium for my bouquet. Oh my goodness, they are glorious. Maybe just one. Okay, let me show you what I got. I took 2 delphinium, several Jupiter's beard, some penstemon, some pink splash weigela. This foliage is my first time using it, so I'm not sure how it'll hold up. This is the black lace elderberry, 1 snapdragon, a couple of these pink roses. I have one over here too. And then the way I cut the penstemon is I have foliage. So this is a foliage piece. Bring it closer. This is a foliage piece. These are lamb's ear spikes. Look at the lily. 1 good sized lily branch and 2 spirea with a pink purple. Let's play with this. Hi, my son Ethan's helping me. Thank you so much, Ethan. So I'm going to put this together. I had to take some delphinium. They looked amazing. It's kind of gonna pop it. So I honestly don't know where I'm gonna start. I might rebuild it, but look at that. Isn't that awesome? Okay, do you guys see the base? I want it right here. Okay, let me add, isn't that a cool? What I think I'm going to do with this one is take off the center spiky thing right here. Let's add another one of those. This is penstemon. It's a dark penstemon. And I haven't even put any focal flowers in yet. Center? How do you do this? I've never worked with lilies before. Oh, look at that. That is fun. That's 1 giant sprig of lily. That is fun. Yeah, I have to kind of bend. That is beautiful. Okay, now I've got 2 delphiniums to kind of break up and pop. So I kind of want it behind this one. Don't break my delphiniums, those are hard to grow. That's pretty. It's gorgeous. My son just had me look through the camera and it sure did help me with my confidence. Okay, now this one I'm going to put through the center. Oh, let's not hide the delphinium in all its glory. And I think I have this very last piece, but I don't think it's long enough to do what I want. It was supposed to be a spike center, so maybe I'll go get some more of those. Let me take off some of these. I'm gonna raise the lilies. Done. Sometimes you have to step back a bit to see if it's what you want. These were all grown in my garden. And I look at the color combo on this one. Glorious. I feel like it needs something over here. There's like two of these together. Maybe I could, there we go, push that in a little bit more. And then I'll put this to this side. Not overthink it. I think I'm done. Okay, that is beautiful. My first time ever using lilies. That's kind of cool, don't you think? And it kind of falls open a little more, and I really, that is so pretty. Look what I did. This is all grown from my yard. I live in Utah. I'm up by the Wasatch Mountains. Can you hear those beautiful birds? That's pretty. Bye.